My heart skips and I ache. Who knew losing you would cause me this much pain? And I'm tired of no sleep. The sensation of you is what made me so weak. But still I try to realize that you're gone, and this storm won't ever subside. It's just hard sometimes. I can't breathe, I can't think. And you're ever so inviting without even trying. And if I said I hated you, then I would be lying. The thought of you gone is so terrifying. Why can't you stay with me tonight? Why can't you look me in the eyes? Why can't you look me in the eyes? Why can't you look me in the eyes?
Maybe I'm scared if you leave then I'll lead a life without meaning. Thoughts in my head, they kill me in time. If I feel my heartbeat, but I'm not alright.
Coming back this time. Coming back this time. So I just try and close my eyes. I can see straight through your lies. So tell me it's alright. So tell me it's alright. My heart skips and I ache. Who knew losing you would cause me this much pain? And I'm tired of no sleep. The sensation of you.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't gonna make it. You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat him in.
Waktunya cek sound, bro.